My name is Raffi Zakwan Hanif, NPM 2341191, and in this material I will explain the process of NPWP registration, the definition of a tax subject, and the definition of a tax object in Indonesia. These topics are fundamental in the study of tax law because they determine who is obligated to pay taxes and what types of income or activities are subject to taxation. Understanding these components helps taxpayers comply with tax regulations and supports the government in maintaining an effective taxation system. NPWP registration, or the registration of the taxpayer identification number, is the first step for individuals or entities to be officially recognized as taxpayers in Indonesia. NPWP is issued by the Directorate General of Taxes, DJP, and is required for various financial and administrative activities such as employment, banking, business operations, and government services. NPWP can be registered online through the DJP website or offline at the nearest tax office. Applicants typically need to provide identification documents such as a national ID card, KTP, business license for entrepreneurs, and supporting documents for corporate taxpayers. Once the NPWP is issued, the taxpayer is legally required to fulfill tax obligations such as reporting and paying taxes. In tax law, a tax subject refers to individuals or entities that are legally recognized as taxpayers under Indonesian tax regulations. Tax subjects include individuals, corporations, permanent establishments, and certain organizations. Tax subjects may be classified as domestic taxpayers or foreign taxpayers, depending on their residence status and duration of stay in Indonesia. Domestic taxpayers are taxed on both domestic and international income, while foreign taxpayers are generally taxed only on income earned within Indonesian territory. Identifying who qualifies as a tax subject is essential because it determines a person's or entity's legal responsibility to pay taxes. A tax object refers to any income, goods, services, or financial activity that is subject to taxation. In Indonesia, tax objects include various types of income such as salaries, business profits, rental income, capital gains, dividends, royalties, and prize money. Tax objects can also include goods and services subject to value-added tax, VAT, and activities subject to specific taxes like land and building tax or motor vehicle tax. NPWP registration, tax subjects, and tax objects work together to support the administration and enforcement of Indonesia's taxation system. These components ensure that the government can collect tax revenue effectively, maintain public services, and regulate economic activities in accordance with national development goals. Thank you for taking the time to read this material. I hope it helps strengthen your understanding of NPWP registration, tax subjects, and tax objects within the framework of tax law.